Welcome to OBORRA Academy. Today I will tell you about 6 table multiplication trick. To learn 6 table, we need to draw 2 3 by 3 square boxes like this. In the first box, ones place, we should write 1 to 9 numbers as shown. Here we should add 1 0. In the second box, we should write same like that. Here we should add 1 0. Now in the first box, tens place, we should add 0 1 2, 0 1 2, 0 1 2. Here we should add 3. In the second box, we should add 3 4 5. 3. Here we should add 6. We should take the numbers only from the circled one. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Friends, you like this video means please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.